Ey, weißt du, was geil ist? Das ist quasi so ein Midday Walk, nur halt Midday-Drive im IKEA.
Ja.
Das kann man so hochladen. Metal people, welcome to the IKEA journey we will film today. So we will show you around an IKEA in Berlin. What it looks like. I'm set like in a shopping cart, and we will just show you the store. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. If you do, please leave a like on the video and maybe also a comment. Thank you. So like here we have the Küchenutensilien. It's like the cook shop. That's at least the translation that is written on the sign.
The kitchen things that you need in the kitchen. Your method. Here are the
your
things.
Knives.
For example, here some things.
These are
Spustus.
These are Füllendat. I don't really know how you pronounce these Swedish names, but it only costs €1.29, and I think that's a good price, good value.
Yes. Then we drive a little bit in the IKEA.
Like here are some pillows, Kissen as we call them in Germany.
Here's a very nice Christmas tree.
Yeah. And we are currently...
That's bocking this.
It's mies nice.
Yes.
It's the IKEA Berlin Tempelhof. And now we will go through this...
That's mies nice.
Through this thing. Oh, attention please. Oh.
It's a Sackgasse.
Sackgasse is like a way where you can turn around.
Yes.
In German.
And where you must stop, and that's
but
so
I
nice.
think it looks really nice on camera.
That's a nice thumbnail, I think.
Oh yeah, thank you for this
Nice
suggestion.
We say in Germany Mülleimer.
It's a trash can.
Genau. Yeah. In Germany we say Mülleimer.
And that's how they look in Germany.
Want to say the translation because yes, it's cool. Here are the plate Holmby. That's dort.
It's like a classic plate with verspielten Fransen an den kurzen Seiten. Was ist das, Digga? Was ist ein Plate?
Keine Ahnung.
What is a plate? Do you know in the chat?
No,
or in the
Digga.
comments?
No, I don't know it, Digga.
But I asked the people in the video.
Yes. But I also don't know it.
Yeah, me too. So right now we are by the textiles.
There's a TV.
There is an IKEA commercial TV, right? There are commercials running on it.
Clubs Porry, that's also Swedish. We don't know what this is, but I think...
I think these are Swedish city names or something.
Yes.
Clubs Porry. Right, now let's go...
We wongle a little bit...
Let's go further wongling.
Yes, let's go for the wongling. In the IKEA.
Right now we come into the Teppiche section.
Yes,
it's where
we say in German Fußmatte.
It's where the rugs and flooring lives.
Yes, and we make our feet on this when and we make it at the entry of our house.
This is the example of how it looks.
Yes.
Right.
So
and
we
here
want
are some more examples and an example Berliner human and another one. And now we have the glass house.
Oh, the glass house. That's very nice. In German we say glass house. Yes. They speak here a little bit.
In German, of course.
Yes.
She asked, hast du eine große Leiter? That means, do you have a big ladder?
Ladder means Buchstabe.
And also, Mann, bist du dumm. Ladder heißt doch Leiter. Ladder. Und Letter ist Buchstabe mit T.
Here are plants.
Right. So like
how it's doing is.
Let's look at the prices.
Let's look at the Uhr.
We will look at the clock soon enough.
How it's clock is.
But €2.50 for a plant like this is okay. It's fine.
Yes, it's okay.
So you can see the people are using these shopping carts for their children as well. No, we are in the lighting department.
Oh, very nice. It's nice. say
Like,
mies nice in German.
mies
Because
nice.
Bocking fish.
When it makes a lot of fun, we say, es bockt sich.
Yes. Or mies nice.
And when something is mies nice, it means that it's very nice. Mies nice.
Yes. Mies is a German word, you can translate it.
We know some German-Polish guy who started with saying,
He's a very fat guy.
but
Hello, Metal Nick player. Shout out on you, Nick player.
and
We
he,
like you, Polska guy.
you know, he started with mies nice.
And bockt sich. And some other weird words.
Like in Germany, we have the word vorgestern. It means the day.
Yesterday.
It means
Yesterday.
it means the day before yesterday.
Yes.
And he said statt instead of vorgestern, he said it was übergestern. Nick player says übergestern instead of vorgestern.
Okay.
And now we have the warehouse. The warehouse is mies nice, as I teach you this German phrase. Maybe you can do some. Yes. Thank you. A little bit faster.
No.
What?
Okay, the block is finished, I think.
Medal off.
Medal off from me.
Tschö.